Good morning. This is Captain Bruce and Ivan Hernandez from Statewide Marine. It's a little overcast today on Wednesday. Our first boat today. We're down here at beautiful Plantation Boat Mart in Tavernier. And we want to give a big shout out to Sabrina. Thank you, Sabrina, for your confidence in Statewide Marine. We always appreciate the business down here. So this is our target boat. Our target boat is this 33 Hydrasport, which we were originally down here about 2 weeks ago. We came on the boat and diagnosed that the equipment was shot. So we've been standing by, and finally the customers contacted them here at Plantation Boat Mart and decided to pull the trigger. So we're here today to change out the equipment. So there's our unit right there. Ivan's already on board, preparing to remove the old equipment. We've got all of our Milwaukee equipment here, so also a nice shout out to Milwaukee. Beautiful box, keeps all of our stuff organized, looks very damn professional. So that's it. So let's step aboard real quick. We'll see what we got going on, and I'm gonna have to get this video wrapped up because I got work to do myself. Of course, we always start with our drop cloths, cover all of our working surfaces. Never step on somebody's boat and work with work boots. We all know the rules there, but some do not follow. So, got our fan set up here. It's a little loud, but it keeps us cool. And here's our equipment. Ivan's already in here now, starting to prepare to take out the equipment. So as we can see, it's in pretty bad shape, and it's a pretty tight shot in here. So that's our video. We again appreciate you watching. Any sales, service, medic warranty work, we do it all. Anything Freon related on your boat. So give us a call, 305-254-5962.